guys, this is my Bamazon app. It's basically an app that I am taking items from a database in my SQL, and I am basically running through all the items and giving users the ability to pick which item that they want and be able to purchase it. So I'm just going to show you my code real quick. Um, Basically what I'm doing is right here, I'm getting, all my NPM, packages that I need. After that, I'm connecting to SQL. Right here, if it doesn't connect, throw out an error. Then I'm running a basic prompt that's, which one do you want to do? Do you want to purchase or exit? And on it, I'm running a switch function or a switch statement that basically says that, if they say pick purchase item. If not, then exit and end the connection to the server. And it's defaulting to please choose a valid command. So my exit function is pretty easy. It's going to end the connection, but the purchase item function that I have is that I have set a variable query, select table from, or select everything from the product table, and I'm running a query function on it right here. And what I'm doing console.table the results, so you guys can see everything that's coming up. If error, and then here what I'm doing is I'm creating an array. It's an empty array right now, but then I'm running a for loop on all the results.length, and I'm increasing it by one and or by one each time and appending it to the array, so that when I run this inquire prompt right here, what would you like to purchase, that the user is then given the choices of all of the items on the list. After that, I'm asking them how many, and then I'm running a function that takes into account both of those things. I go in and I check, if we have that item inside our table, and then if the quantity is more than, is less than the amount that the user wants, then I'll let them know, hey, this is too much. We can't really complete your purchase, and I'll end the connection, or else it is going to run this function where it's going to complete the purchase, and then it's going to update the quantity. So let's go ahead. If you want to look at my table, it's in Workbench right here. So if I were to run this, right, so I have this set up right here so you guys can see what my table looks like. Oh, it did. There you go. So you can see here, I have 14. I have just random numbers, and this I have set to 0 just for testing reasons. So now, like, if I go in here and open this up in terminal, all right, and then I go ahead and run Amazon, it's going to ask me to purchase or exit, and I can just use my arrow keys. Let's go purchase, right, and then it's going to say skateboard, sure, let's pick, how many are there? There's 14, let's pick 12, right? 12, you are buying 12 skateboards, and it's going to tell you how much the price is as well, right? And then I have this console logging to how many are remaining after that, which is 2. Your order has been processed. Thank you for shopping at Amazon. And then it resets. Welcome to Amazon. What would you like to do? If you go in here and you look at our table, you can see it shows 14. But if you go ahead and run this again, boom, look at that. You can see skateboard has been updated to 2. Right, now let's say if we were to pick purchase, and then we were to pick the sofa, which is at 0, right? And we wanted 4 sofas, right? So there you go. It says, unfortunately, we do not have enough sofas in stock to complete your purchase today. And then the program ends and the connection ends to the server. So that is the basic component to the Amazon app that I'm working on.